Every summer, we gather together in what we call the General Assembly to celebrate all of those who are retiring from Acadia University and all of those who are celebrating long service milestones. Normally, we would do that together and we would share reception, we would share fellowship, and we'd have a great time. And we would share stories of all of those of you who are either retiring or recognizing your long service to the community. This year, because of the pandemic, we were not able to do that. And I'm really sorry that we were not able to do that because it's a great event. So this year, for now, we're doing it virtually. And so I want to take this opportunity to thank those of you who are retiring from Acadia. You have given such tremendous service to your university, and we thank you for that service, and we recognize that. And we hope that your retirement will be fulfilling and enjoyable, and we hope also that you will keep in touch with your Acadia family. Some people might say you chose a very good year to retire. Although, because you chose this year to retire, you didn't get that wonderful send-off that we always like to do. I hope that at some point in the future, we will be able to do that for you. But also, we're celebrating those of you who have worked at Acadia for long periods of time and are recognizing that incredible service. You are continuing to work here at Acadia and to contribute and serve the community in great ways. And it is because of your service, and indeed because of the service of all who are working here and have worked here at Acadia, that we are able to continue to provide the kind of incredible learning experience for our students, despite the fact that we are dealing with this pandemic during this extraordinary year of 2020. But let that not deter us from the fact that we are a family, and therefore we celebrate the achievements of that family, and we recognize the amazing contributions that each and every one of you make to that family. And so, on this virtual General Assembly, I say to you, thank you so much for your service. Thank you for everything you've done for Acadia. Thank you for everything you are continuing to do for Acadia. And may I wish you all the best, whether you are in retirement now or whether you are continuing to work and serve Acadia University, the university that we all love. Thank you.